That's the most I can go. You can do a phone. That's the most I can go.
That's why they say with the new Nikons.
I have a candle, alright? I didn't come prepared. I brought the cake, no one brought the candle.
I thought you were going to put 20 sparklers.
What's his name?
You know what they do on Jackass? They put them fireworks on the cake. Huh, Reese? Man, this stuff smells.
I know, right? It smells like match, like burning match.
Yeah, it's sulfur.
You can blow it at the bottom.
I fucking hope so. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Cherise. Happy birthday to you. No one's even singing. I don't know. Money back.
Well then, Stevie's singing for you.
Oh, you stop. Happy birthday. Now your wishes come true.
You know the sparkler. I need some more footage.
You ran a battery. That's 1 minute to my
You need another sparkler. No, yeah.
Not cut it.
No, you're not cutting it. You need another sparkler. No, you don't cut the first one here. I mean, 2 sparklers. One for each 10 dead years. 2 decades, 2 sparklers.
Who's that guy's 2 sparklers?
We'll sing on this one.
You know, if you add 0, that adds 1 more sparkler too, right?
For good luck.
Yeah, one for good luck. I want to take it with. Light it up. Still knows.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Now make our wishes, blow it out. It won't blow up.
Then make it look good until it's down to the end of the book. It's too excited. It's giving you many, many blessings. Let it keep on sparkling. Right. Okay. I'll tell you what to make it look like. Actually, I'm going to blow it up.
Vinny, imagine that camera on a drone.
Blow it!
Vinny? Vin, imagine that camera on a drone.
Yeah.
That'd be a big fucking drone, right?
You see? I did a medium exposure.
Nobody has time for that. Make a circle in the middle.
I did like a 2-second exposure, so
That's so much better.
make the sparklers look bigger. See how sparklers?
No, that's a circle. No.
Yeah, if you had a neutral density on there, it would have been good.
Yeah,
I just did it the other day and it was awesome.
Yeah? I don't know if this takes any. Yeah, I think it takes filters.
Yeah, as long as it's the size, it clips on. That's all.
What does that say?
That's what I call music.
The millimeter.
67.
67?
Yeah, so that's the size of the.
Because my neutral densities are 77.
So probably might be too big. I mean, you can hold it. Yeah,
Well, they fit my other lens.
yeah, this one.
I used them on the wired 49.
That's fondue.
What the hell's fondue?
It's a thing, the eating thing. They roll it out, they cover the cake, you can even make this. They even have a circuit machine that will cut your design with that. And all you have to do is put it in. That's how your aunt makes the cake, right? The first one has to be yours. First one's falling apart. Because you're falling apart. That's yours. Eat it. Taste it. See how good it is. You cut the rest? You want me to? Yeah, I don't want to do this. I don't like that thing. I don't like this. Huh?
Alright, there's a half of a 1% chance that it just flips over sideways and shoots us. But, you know, I don't think so.
I got the video. It's dark.
You want to try with mine?
No, when you light it up, it'll light up.
Oh, yeah. Okay, you ready?
Not ready.
Yeah,
Too late.
Sherry's not ready, she said.
Too late.
Hurry up.
Look at you fucking shot the ducks.
One more.
Is that it? Get him.
All right. Yeah.
They're falling down on us. Baby, I'm scared. Stop whining them.
There's one more.
We got one more.
Yeah.
No. We got one more. Come on, they're scared. Alright. They're falling down on us. Well, what if they fall in my house and it's on fire? Yeah, and you live in another place.
See that far?
You